Hello, in front of me I've got Honor X8. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Biometrics and Password. Go to Change Lock Screen Password, Confirm, Change Unlock Method, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords: 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, but we'll also use only one type of digit PIN because they are basically the same and the only difference is the length of the password. So let's enter 4-digit PIN and enter 4 digits to create your PIN. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password, enter 4 to 32 characters, and in the end let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Then we can go to biometrics. The first biometric is fingerprint ID. And now let's select Unlock Device and New Fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now we use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face recognition, select unlock device, and now let me just set up new face ID. Get started and scan your face in this area. And now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.